Hello everyone. World's medieval history. The term Middle Ages is used to describe a period in European history that spans from the 5th to the 15th century. This period, also known as the medieval period, is sandwiched between the fall of the Roman Empire and the dawn of the Renaissance. Beginning of the Middle Ages. The Middle Ages began with the collapse of the Western Roman Empire in 476 AD. This period saw a decline in population, counter-urbanization, the collapse of centralized authority, invasion, and mass migration of tribes. Early Middle Ages. During the early Middle Ages, large-scale movements of the migration period, including those of Germanic peoples, led to the rise of new kingdoms in Western Europe. In the 7th century, the Middle East and North Africa came under caliphal rule with the Arab conquests. The Byzantine Empire survived in the eastern Mediterranean and advanced secular law through the Code of Justinian. High Middle Ages. The High Middle Ages, which began after 1000, saw a great increase in the population of Europe. Technological and agricultural innovations allowed trade to flourish, and the medieval warm period climate change allowed crop yields to rise. Society was organized through manorialism, the organization of peasants into villages that owed rent and labor services to the nobles, and feudalism, the political structure whereby knights and lower status nobles owed military service to their overlords in return for the right to rent from lands and manors. Late Middle Ages. The late Middle Ages saw the formal division of Catholic and Orthodox churches with the East-West schism of 1054. The Crusades, which began in 1095, were military attempts by Western European Christians to regain control of the Holy Land from Muslims. Kings became the heads of the centralized nation states, reducing crime and violence but making the ideal of a unified Christendom more distant. End of the Middle Ages. The Middle Ages ended with the fall of the Constantinople in 1453 AD, transitioning into Renaissance and then the Age of Discovery. The Middle Ages is the middle period of the three traditional divisions of Western history: antiquity, medieval, and modern. Medieval history in Asia. The history of Asia during the medieval period is a collective history of several distinct peripheral coastal regions such as East Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, linked by the interior mass of the Eurasian steppe. The coastal periphery was home to some of the world's earliest known civilizations and religions, with each of the three regions developed early civilization around fertile river valleys. In the Middle Ages, North and East Asia were further colonized by people from Western Asia. The spread of Islam led to the Islamic Golden Age and the Timurid Renaissance, which later influenced the age of Islamic gunpowder empires. Another major advancement was the innovation of gunpowder in medieval China, later developed by the gunpowder empires, mainly by the Mughals and Safavids, which led to advanced warfare through the use of guns. Medieval history in Africa. The history of Africa during the Middle Ages is marked by the emergence of several pre-colonial states and societies. The kingdoms of Benin, Mali, Songhai, Congo, and Asante each had their own language and unique ways of leading and governing the people, and many practiced different religions. Starting in the medieval period, a series of kingdoms rose and fell in West Africa. The kingdoms of Benin, Mali, Songhai, Congo, and Asante each had their own language and unique ways of leading and governing their people, and many practiced different religions. The study of medieval African societies has value not only because we can learn from all civilizations in all time frames, but because these societies reflected and influenced a myriad of cultures that, due to the diaspora that began in the 16th century, have spread throughout the modern world. In conclusion, medieval period was a time of significant historical events, inventions, new writings, and religious matters in different parts of the world. Despite being referred to as the Dark Ages by late medieval scholars, the accuracy of the term has subsequently been challenged. The medieval ages was a time of great change and development, and its impact is still felt in modern times. Thank you. Bye.